Ask a question. Start your paragraph with a thought-provoking question that captures the reader's attention and encourages them to keep reading to find the answer. Use a quote. Beginning with a relevant and impactful quote from a notable person or text can establish the tone of the paragraph and add credibility to your argument. Provide a statistic. Utilize a surprising or noteworthy statistic to engage the reader and highlight the significance of the topic you are discussing. Make a bold statement. Start your paragraph with a strong statement that immediately captures the reader's interest and sets the tone for the rest of the content. Use a story or anecdote. Introducing your paragraph with a story or anecdote can help personalize the topic and make it more relatable for the reader. Use a rhetorical question. Pose a rhetorical question that challenges the reader's assumptions or beliefs, and then provide the answer in the rest of the paragraph. Create a vivid description. Start with a vivid description that captures the reader's imagination and helps them visualize the topic you are discussing. Provide background information. Begin by providing some background information on the topic, establishing context for the reader and helping them understand the importance of what you are discussing. Use humor. Start with a witty or humorous statement that lightens the tone and captures the reader's attention. Pose a problem. Start with a problem statement that introduces the issue or challenge you are discussing and sets the stage for your proposed solution or analysis.